Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-Keto and Low Carb channel. Today we'll be making an easy and quick recipe, keto and low carb, gluten-free green bread. And straight into the ingredients. In a blender, we will need a very full cup of chopped, washed and dried broccoli and place straight into the blender or mixer. Now we will need to add a half a cup of mozzarella cheese and then 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And now we can add your preferred seasonings. Today I'll be using cumin, salt and pepper. In the meantime, I have preheated the oven at the highest temperature and mix well together. After mixing, this is the consistency of the dough that we are aiming for. Now we will need an oven tray lined with baking paper. Now placing our green mixture onto the tray and using both hands apply gentle pressure whilst forming the mixture into a thin layer into your preferred shape. Today I'm going to be using a spatula to tidy up the edges to form a rectangle shape. Now our green bread is ready to place into the oven. We will know when it's ready when the cheese has fully melted and the dough consistency becomes firm to the touch. It should take around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our green bread is now ready. We need to leave it to fully cool down for around 10 minutes before cutting and serving. Our green bread has fully cooled down. It's easy to remove from the baking paper and keeps its shape when handled. Today I'm going to be using a pizza cutter to cut the bread into small square shapes. The bread smells amazing. It's great on its own. You can serve it with soup. It's really easy and fast to make. Any questions, please leave them below. And until next time.